We long for darkness. It's part of our journey, our process, our way of being. It's our darkness and the literal darkness of the night that shapes and creates who we are. Go outside, seek the darkness, watch as you are held in the comfort of not needing to show up in any specific way, but instead being able to show up exactly as you are. Listen to the night. Look up at the stars. Lay on the earth and witness as the world moves around you. What you seek is waiting for you in the dark. All you have to do is turn off your lights and go outside. There's a world wanting you, your world. It's waiting for you to show up, for you to discover who you are, to transform, and for you to live a purposeful and fulfilled life every day for the rest of your life. The stars are waiting for you to come out and shine.